Pegasus, Margarito Uy Acabal.
And we invite you to Texas Wendy Mandumon to share some words with us.
Achieve this goal. Let us continue to work towards our vision, to impose and to have this creating an opportunity to foster positive relationship with our team. And together, let's be united and focus to our goal. We can start with a very small progress up until slowly we will rise and we will conquer our fears. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Wendy Handumon saying thank you and good evening.
Pegasus, Margarito Uy Acabal to share some words with us.
Mabuhay Philippines, and to my fellow Filipinos. First of all, allow me to thank Riwi International, the person behind, who is very generous and dedicated to his commitment to all of us. Our Chief Executive Director, Mr. Lim Bonhong, and to his core management team, to our Riwi Philippines General Manager, Mr. James Chong, and to his Filipino team. To my mentor, Sir Ted Sombrio, Team Supreme Pegasus 1. To my upline, my sister from different mother, Team Elite Pegasus Wendy Handumon, and to my team, my Elite Pabos, who are there, all business people and not around tonight. Allow me to mention their names: Jocelyn Concon Habien, Liv de los Santos Las Piñas, Claire King Miñosa, and most especially to my ex-girlfriend, who is already my first lady, my wife, Gloria Jean Lima Cabal, for an ending support on my journey here in Riwi. To all my Filipinos colleagues, let's show that Riwi really show the right way. Mabuhay tayong lahat. May God be the glory. God bless us all, and thank you very much.
Let us now, Mr. Jacqueline, open up to recognition.
Congratulations.
Let us have Mr. Jacqueline take a group photo with our Team Elite Pegasus.